In today's video, we are shopping for all of the party things at Party City. So if you want to see what's in store for all your fun summer parties, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and home organizational videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So obviously Party City is going to have all of the 4th of July party favors and decorations. So if you're still shopping and need some things because the holiday is tomorrow, you still have time to get out and get it, and they do have a lot. And just keep in mind there's more than what that came from, but I only capture things that catch my eye, and that's how I do all of my shop with me videos. But I also really love the other summer decorations that they have for parties. They had a lot of cutlery and things like that for all of your summer bashes, so definitely shop Party City. I like that they have these mini coconuts. I actually have some from Amazon that are probably double the size of these, but they cost me a grip, and so it's cool to see that Party City has these and they're more reasonably priced. I really like their collection for crawfish boils. They had the pails. They also had a lot of variety of different trays and things that you could serve the crawfish and sides in. They even had crawfish bibs, which I think are a little harder to find, but these seem really big and worth it if you're having a crawfish boil. Also wanted to point out that if you want to make your own yard sign, they have all the corrugated plastic letters that you can buy, and all you need is the little yard sticks. You can stick them in the corrugation of the letters and make your own little yard sign, and you might save some dollars because I think you're going to pay hundreds to have somebody professionally come out and do the yard when you can do it yourself, and so you can get really creative. Also want to point out that they have these drink dispensers for $27 that are pretty big, but if you saw my Crate and Barrel shop with me last week, then I would recommend that you go there and get it. They're only $37 there, and they come with a wooden top, and so it looks more classic, it will last longer, and it doesn't even look plastic until you walk right up on it. It actually looks glass, so I think it's a better investment over time. They also have so many things for sports parties if you're hosting a game at your place. I don't know why, but I never noticed these before, but it just went on and on from baseball to basketball to football, and they also had college sports as well. A lot of variety. They even had a football piñata, which is really cute. And my son went crazy when I was standing there looking at the sports stuff, pointing behind me like, Mom, Mom, Cocomelon. Cocomelon had so much stuff, and he has a birthday party coming up, and so this is in part why we were shopping at Party City to get some ideas of what we want to do, and I think Cocomelon is the pick. They also had a lot of cute things for a construction party as well. And so if your boys are into construction like mine is, then Party City is the place for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. You can also hit the bell notifications to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays when I upload. So I hope to see you in another video, but until then, be your own kind of beautiful.